Welcome back to Sal's Garage. Today I'm going to be modding the Honda Civic 2016 10th generation, and I'm going to be doing the rear motor mount. This is the rear motor mount on the CVT for the Civic. What I'm going to do is I'm going to modify the bushing by adding a little more filling into it to stiffen it up a little, because you want this to be as stable as possible so you get better launches, better traction. Alright, I've taken off the rear mount. This is where it used to be. So if we try to move the engine now, you can really see the how much it vibrates, the whole entire engine. So if you stiffen up this mount, it's going to stiffen up the engine and also the response of the car. Let's go ahead and fill in those bushings. This one has a little too much play, as you can see here. This can give you that rubber band effect sometimes, or wheel hop. So I'm trying to eliminate wheel hop, get better traction and better handling. I'm going to try and fill in these holes and these gaps using a product called 3M Window Weld. How this works is I'll just squeeze the trigger once I have the needle here punctured, and then just inject it in there. I'm squeezing a good amount here because this is alright. So I have the heater on my finished product, and as you can see here, it's all filled in. I'm gonna wait about 24 hours, but to speed up the process, I'm also putting it next to the heater since it is the winter time. We'll put it on the car tomorrow and see if there's any difference. Alright, so I got the engine mount on and everything is torqued and tightened. It's pretty dang firm. I'm trying to shake the engine and it's not moving, so it's definitely firmer and stiffer. We'll go take it for a test drive, see if there's any increase in noise or vibration, and also how does the handling feel like. Alright, so I have the rear engine mount on. Actually, there's no harshness or vibration. It's pretty much like stock, like OEM, so I'm very happy that it didn't add any vibration or noise to the cabin at idle, because that's what I heard it usually does, is kind of makes everything more uncomfortable at idle. Alright, I'm going to try and launch it and see if there's any wheel hop. Wow, that's actually better. There's no more wheel hop, it's just wheel spin. But I'd rather have wheel spin than wheel hop, because that's how you can destroy axles and stuff. Like it's putting the power down a lot better now. Before there was a little too much movement in the engine mount and it was just unable to put the power down. But with the tune and all the increased torque and horsepower, it's still putting the power down really well with this setup, and there's no increase in noise, vibration, or harshness. So I am very happy with this mod. It's cheap and easy to do and makes quite a difference in traction and basically more grip in the front. I recommend doing this mod if you have a 10th gen Civic. It works on any of them. Instead of having to buy a new rear engine mount, you can just fill it in with window weld from 3M. You can also do this on pretty much any bushing you can think of. I might do some on the M3 if I can find some that have open bushings in there. But I think most of them are solid, so it might be hard, but we'll see. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Take care now.